In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your subscribers on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, go to youtube.com. Make sure you are logged in, and once you've done that, click right here at your profile picture or at your YouTube channel's avatar, and then we need to go to YouTube Studio. And here in dashboard we just need to scroll down until we find recent subscribers. Then if we click at see all, it will show us our subscribers, users who subscribe to our channel in the last 80 days. We can also click right here and we can select up to lifetime to show all our subscribers for the all time. However, keep in mind that this list only includes users who have made their subscriptions public. So then we can scroll down or up, we can subscribe to our subscribers or unsubscribe from them. We can click right here and select, for example, 50 users per page. Basically guys, that's it. Now you know how you can easily check your subscribers on YouTube.